difficult to focus this slide. Got it. This is also prepared from spinal cord. You can see all the cell bodies and some parts of the neurons. These are all cell bodies. And this has been prepared for staining the organelles or the parts of the cell that contain RNA. Now, what are the organelles? Meaning little structure. Organelle meaning like organ is structure, organelle small form, organ. Like example of organelle, like nucleus is an organelle, mitochondrion is an organelle, ribosome is an organelle. Now, what organelles contain RNA in a cell? You should know that.
Nucleus.
The nucleus, what part of nucleus? The nucleus contains DNA. DNA is not stained by this. Oh, what? Ribosomes contain RNA, definitely. And you were partially correct, Christopher. In the nucleus, there is a structure called nucleolus. Mm-hmm. Nucleolus is made of RNA and protein. But mostly, nucleus is made of DNA. But DNA is not stained. And I will show you under higher magnification. So let me magnify this. And you will see. This is interesting. Look at that. You can see the axon hillock. Can you see that axon hillock? Can you see the axon? Mm-hmm. Can you see the initial segment of the axon? Mm-hmm. But you don't see dendrites. Why? Doesn't mean the dendrites are not there. They're there, but they're not stained. Why? Because RNA was not present. Maybe a little few, some, can faint. But these other structures, that means those are ribosomes. The ribosomes are associated with the endoplasmic reticulum called, when endoplasmic reticulum is associated with ribosomes, is called, is it SER or RER? RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is called in neuron Nissl bodies. Nissl. Though this is a proper noun, the spelling is Nissl. Nissl. Nissl bodies. Nissl bodies. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they will be much clearer when I magnify further, and you will see other features too. So we are going for the next magnification. Come on. It's remarkable. Look at that. This is a whole cell body, isn't it? But you see these granular structures, positively stained regions. They represent the Nissl bodies. So anywhere, if I point to, if I say identify the organelles, your answer should be Nissl bodies, okay? Right Nissl bodies. Though they are rough endoplasmic reticulum, but I want you to learn this is Nissl bodies. You know this is nucleus, isn't it? But has it been stained?
No.
So this is negative staining for nucleus. Because DNA is not stained by this preparation, only the RNA. So here you know that nucleolus is made of RNA and protein. So nucleolus contains RNA, that's why nucleolus has given a positive staining reaction. Could you see that? So if this is pointed, identify as indicated, you will see what you should write. Though it may not be in the word bank, I expect you to learn that nucleolus. Okay? If I ask you identify the organelle here, or identify as indicated by the pointer, nucleus. If I ask you to identify the structure, I mean this structure here. What is that? Axon hillock. Do you get that? When I say identify the organelles, nasal bodies. Identify the structure, initial segment of axon. Get that? Now, this time, you can see some positive reaction in the axon, meaning the axoplasm had some organelles containing RNA, ribonucleic acid. But if we go to this, there was another, come on. Look here. Do you see any axon? But you can figure out because you can see a little remnant here, but I'm not very sure. So you don't see any dendrites or axon. You see only what? The whole cell body, isn't it? And you see the nasal bodies, do you? Nasal bodies. You see the nucleus, you see the nucleolus. Do you have any question? So this is a specially prepared slide. And this special preparation was for identifying the structures containing RNA. And we know that rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes, and ribosomes are made of RNA. What kind of RNA? How many types of RNAs are there? What? 3. Very good. Can you name them? Ribosomal. Then? Come on.
Messenger.
Very good. Messenger and transfer RNA. Very good. You should remember, because these are the things that you remember for a very, very long time. Okay? All right. And look at that. These are the neuroglial cells. Also, they show some positive reaction because your cell will have RNA, no doubt. Okay? Any question? 2 slides down.